In this video, we're going to show you how to install the oil pressure sensing unit on your Jeep Wrangler, located on the passenger side of your engine. Locate your oil pressure sensor, which is right beside the base of the distributor area here, right where the oil filter is located. You want to go ahead and remove this connector, lift up on this tab, and pull that connector off. Now this here will unthread out of this unit. Ours is a little bit corroded, so we do not have a socket that is going to fit that. In general, you can use a pair of locking pliers to go ahead and loosen this. Once that's spun out just a few threads, you can generally grab it and unthread it the rest of the way. Now we just put some liquid thread sealant on our center unit here. Go ahead and thread that in. Now if you have a 27mm socket, I want to go ahead and snug that down. And once that bottoms out, you can feel it. Just kind of snug it down just a little bit more. Go ahead and grab that connector, line that up, and push that on. You'll see and feel that connector lock into place, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.